Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying you have Outlook with access to the BCC field and the correct account type, because some behaviors differ for Exchange versus IMAP. Open a new message now and immediately check that the BCC field is visible. If not, enable it from the View or Options menu. Once done, add yourself or a placeholder into, then paste or import all recipient addresses into BCC. This prevents recipients from seeing each other and starts the privacy workflow correctly. Now you consolidate privacy. Move every recipient into BCC and keep one trusted address so mail servers accept delivery. If you need personalization, use Mail Merge from the Mailings tab. It sends individual messages and prevents exposure of other recipients. Make sure to inspect message options and remove reply all prompts or disclaimers that encourage mass replies. Also check message headers by viewing properties to confirm recipient lines. Show only your choice. Finish by sending a test email to a secondary account you control to verify that recipients are not exposed. Open the received message and view headers. If any addresses are visible, make sure server-side list expansion or a distribution list isn't expanding recipients before delivery, and confirm your Mail Merge or BCC usage was correct. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, export addresses and use a dedicated Mail Merge tool or a secure mailing service to ensure privacy and avoid automatic expansion by the mail server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.